Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Weaviate and Qdrant. In order to do so, here we are at weaviate.io and we're also at qdrant.tech. And let's check in with Cider AI in order to do a comparison. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time, and you get access to some of the top models available. According to Cider, both Weaviate and Qdrant are popular vector search engines, but they have different strengths depending on your use cases. Weaviate features fully integrated vector database with built-in NLP modules, semantic search, and support for hybrid search. It is used for AI-powered applications needing rich metadata, multilingual support, and GraphQL API for easy integrations. It comes with a flexible schema system, built-in modules for NLP, and is developer-friendly with a strong community. It supports cloud, Docker, and Kubernetes, and offers managed versions. Qdrant, on the other hand, features high-performance vector search engine optimized for large-scale embeddings with flexible filtering. It is used for real-time retrieval, large-scale similarity searches, recommendation systems. Its strengths are a faster indexing search engine, lightweight and easy to embed in existing pipelines. It has API support for Python, REST, and gRPC. Deployment is for Docker, Cloud, CI/CD pipelines with the focus on performance and scalability. In summary, choose Weaviate if you need an all-in-one solution with NLP modules, hybrid search capabilities, and an easy-to-use schema system. Use Qdrant if your priority is raw performance, scalability, and straightforward vector search with minimal fuss. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.